The 5 Secrets to Overcome Procrastination. In this tutorial, you will learn the 5 secrets to overcome procrastination. First, know that procrastination will only make the work take longer. Procrastination does not help to make your work better. It only helps to prolong the amount of time it takes to complete it. While doing good work can take an appropriate amount of time, it doesn't mean that the work must take longer than is necessary for it to be done well. Second, know that procrastination will only make you work harder. This is because you will fall behind the intended schedule you were supposed to follow in order to complete all the tasks necessary to finish a project. If you take more time than is expected to finish a task, you will have to work harder and faster to complete the other tasks necessary to finish a project on time. This can often lead to more mistakes being made to make up for the shortened amount of time in order to finish a project on time. Or, procrastination can lead to you working past the deadline and submitting a project late if you can't rush your work to finish on time. Third, know that procrastination will keep you from enjoying other activities. If you take longer than is needed to finish the work you need to finish, it will result in less time for you to relax, enjoy leisurely activities, spend time with loved ones, and more. You'll have to spend some of that time to make up for the procrastination of your work. Fourth, know that procrastination will not improve the quality of your work. Many people think that taking longer on a project will improve the quality. Taking the appropriate amount of time to finish a project is necessary, but taking longer because you doubt your abilities or let your mind wander away from your work will only lead to you taking longer to complete the work without improving the quality of it. Fifth, know that you can work fast and still produce quality work. You do not have to take longer than is needed to produce quality work. If you are skilled at the task you have to complete, you may find that you can complete it quicker than people expect and still produce that work at a high quality. Now you know the 5 secrets to overcome procrastination.